Now question says three uniform spheres, each having a mass m and radius a, are kept in such a way that each touches the other two. Question is, find magnitude of the gravitational force on any of the spheres due to the other two. Now this is the scenario. One sphere, two sphere and three spheres. They are kept in such a way that they are touching each other. So let's say this is my scenario. Alright. Now this is not one of the best question, but let us say we can assume that all the three spheres are such that we can assume that their masses are centered at their center of mass. So this is the scenario. So now we can assume that this is mass m, this is mass m, this is mass m, and since this is radius a for all the spheres, so now distance between all these spheres will be equal to 2a, 2a and 2a. Now we need to find the magnitude of the gravitational force on any of the spheres due to the other two. Let's say we want to find force on this particular mass. Due to this mass, it will experience a force in this direction. So let's call this force F1, and it will experience force in this direction. Let's call this force F2, and angle between these two will be 60 degree. So let's call this F1, this is F2, and this will be 60 degree. And we are going to solve this question in vectorial format. So F1 will be equal to G M1, which is M, M2, which is also M, divided by 2a square, and direction will be I cap. So this will be equal to G M square divided by 4a square I cap. Now force F2, magnitude of force F2 will be equal to G M1 M2 divided by 2a square, now multiplied by, now if you look at the direction of this force, so it will be in this direction, which will have an angle 60 degree from the horizontal. So we can write this will be equal to cos 60 I cap plus sin 60 j cap. So this will be equal to F2, we can say will be equal to G M square divided by 4a square. Cos 60 will be equal to 1 by 2 I cap plus root 3 by 2 j cap. Now we want to find the magnitude. So F net force will be equal to F1 plus F2 in vector form. So this will be equal to, now if we add this is my equation number 1, this is my equation number 2. Now if we add these two, we will get F net. This will be equal to F1, उसमें if we can take GMs by 4a square, अगर ये हम दोनों common ले लें, so this will be equal to GM square divided by 4a square. This will be equal to I cap plus this will be equal to 1 by 2 I cap plus root 3 by 2 j cap, और ये हो जाएगा GM square divided by 4a square 3 by 2 I cap plus root 3 by 2 j cap. So this will be F net. Now इसका हमें पता लगाना है इसका magnitude क्या होगा. We want to find magnitude. So this magnitude will be equal to F net. Magnitude will be equal to G M square divided by 4a square under root of 3 by 2 square plus root 3 by 2 square. Alright, and this will be equal to F net will be equal to G M square divided by 4a square multiplied by, this will be equal to 9 by 4. ये होगा आपका 9 by 4 plus 3 by 4 ऐड करके आ जाएगा 12 by 4. 12 by 4 का 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ऊपर बचेगा 3. तो आपका F net आ गया. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू रूट 3 GM square divided by 4a square. So now this is the proper solution for this particular problem, assuming we can assume all the mass is concentrated at the center of mass. Although this should not be the scenario, we should integrate, but assuming we have assumed the entire mass concentrated at the center, so this will be my final answer.